Sa opening night ng Cine Film Festival, ilang Filipino creatives ang dumalo para ipakilala ang kanilang mga pelikula na mapapanood sa festival. Kilalanin po natin sa report ni Kisha Balatbat.
Nagsimula na ang Cine Film Festival sa Toronto. 3 araw na festival kung saan sentro ang mga pelikulang gawang Pilipino.
We should be very proud as Filipinos and really proud as Filipino Canadians to share what we have to offer. We have so much more to offer and have access to, and this is just a small percentage of that.
Dumalo sa opening reception ang ilang filmmakers at actors, kabilang ang aktres na si Christine Reyes, isa sa mga bida ng pelikulang The Kingdom.
My character in the film, I'm the eldest daughter of the king, and nagtatalo ang isip ng hari kasi kung sino yung gagawin na next in line. So, the story is going to be about the Philippines if it weren't colonized.
Mapapanood din sa festival ang pelikula ni Kent Dongines na Canadian Adobo, isang documentary kung saan sumali sa isang group therapy session ang mga pamilyang Pilipino na nagkwento ng kanilang karanasan bilang mga immigrant.
The concept of mental health is not the most familiar in our community as Filipino Canadians. And coming out from my short documentary, I made a short documentary about caregivers and nannies. It felt like the conversation was not complete because the kids were not involved in that conversation. So it really helped me push the story even further when I work with TELUS Originals to bring the kids into the conversation.
Kabilang din ang short film na ahon sa mga pelikulang mapapanood sa Cine Film Fest. Tungkol ito sa Alberta Mountaineer Club na ayon sa colorist ng pelikula ay nagpapakita ng katatagan ng mga Pilipino.
This is my first documentary to color and it was really a big learning experience for me for making it more grounded, really elevating the storytelling in terms of realism.
Inaasahan ng mga creatives na ang mga pelikulang ito makakapagturo ng mga aral sa mga manonood.
Ang pinakamalaking matututunan natin sa pelikula na ito ay yung karangalan bilang maging isang Pilipino, ang kagalingan natin, ang giting, lagi tayong magkakasama, lagi tayong sumusugal sa buhay. Especially sa mga tao na lumipat dito.
This is our Canadian premiere, so I'm super excited that the film is playing in a film festival where the audience is the specific audience for this film. So I'm really hoping that it resonates not only to my fellow Filipinos but also friends who have Filipino workers or caregivers and nannies that take care of their families.
I hope also other Filipino films can also get here para we can, market and promote Filipino films around the world, and especially here in Toronto, Canada.
Magpapatuloy ang Cine Film Festival hanggang Linggo, April 13. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.